Hey guys, okay, as promised, here's your science experiment, and I'm here today with special guest.
What's up? Mr. Ben here.
Okay, so for today's science experiment, Mr. Ben's going to be wearing some safety goggles, and I'm just going to be wearing these cool shades. Okay guys, supplies for today, we have some vinegar, baking soda, red food coloring, a clear water bottle, and a teaspoon for measuring. Okay, so I'm actually gonna let Mr. Ben do this experiment since I'm the one holding the camera, but I am gonna make sure to keep my safety sunglasses on while I record. I bet some of you already know what we might be doing because you know what happens, what the reaction happens when baking soda and vinegar get mixed together, but just wait and see.
Alright guys, so here's the plan. We got our empty water bottle. We're gonna mix these two ingredients inside the water bottle. Now there's a little trick here. If you pour this one into this one, it reacts really fast. But if you pour this one into this one, there's a little bit of a delay. So we're gonna do that version because we don't want the reaction to go off before we're ready, okay? So I'm gonna measure out our mixture, and then once we're ready, we'll get back on and I'll show you what happens.
Okay, that's 4. 5. Guys, Mr. Ben made sure to find the exact ratio of how much vinegar we need compared to how much baking soda.
Also, here's something cool.
What's up?
See how the water or the liquid's actually taller than the measuring device? It's called surface tension that keeps it from spilling over.
Cool.
There's a fun one. And soap actually breaks surface tension.
Guys, y'all are going to learn that Mr. Ben knows a lot more about science than me, not because I'm not a scientist,
What am I at?
but because Mr. Ben's an engineer and he needs science every day.
All right, kiddos. We've got all of our vinegar measured.
Show them the
in.
bottle. Show them the bottle.
Here's our bottle. Got some vinegar. You can't tell. It just looks like water, but it's actually vinegar. If you smell it, you'll know. Woo! So we're going to set our vinegar aside. We're done with that. Now, time to measure our baking soda. And what I'm actually going to do before I put the baking soda in is I'm actually going to put our food coloring in because I don't know how fast it's going to react. We don't want to miss out on getting it colored red. So.
Just a few drops.
Oh yeah, there we go, nice and red.
Red for Midway, guys.
Done with that?
Did you know that Mr. Ben went to Midway, everybody?
I did. I graduated from Midway High School. Sikkim Panthers. All right, you ready? Here we go. Put that out of the way. Now this is where we pour it in and try to get the lid on in time. And then we see what happens. Woo!
Okay, guys. So the water bottle, wait, can you tell them about it? It's really, really firm. It's filled with
full of gas.
Gas.
CO2. You ready?
Okay, here we go.
Whoa! Look at that. Oh yeah. That was awesome.